today I'm going to show you how to write your blog post with Jarvis, aka Conversion AI, even if you don't have long form assistant. Hi guys, it's Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm going to show you how I write my blog post with the power of Jarvis, aka Conversion AI. Jarvis or Conversion AI is your best copywriting assistant. It's very smart and powerful AI software, and it can be your best assistant to write your blog posts, video scripts, sales pages, and ads, and basically everything you need for your business. Even content creation is so much easier and more effective with Jarvis. So let me show you how I write my blog posts with the power of AI. And even though I don't have long form assistant, which will help you the best with your blog posts, I use the starter version to create my blog posts. Conversion AI or Jarvis is a little bit pricey for me right now. So I'm right now on the starter plan, which gives me 20,000 words. And if you want their pro version or boss mode, you will pay about between $109 and $119 per month. Both pro and boss mode have the long form assistant, which is the best tool to write your blog posts. But if you don't want to pay between $109 and $120 per month, you can pay for the starter plan and still write your blog post. And today I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, I have a starter plan. Let me just dismiss this. If you scroll down, you will see my favorite templates, which I starred or liked, and different announcements. And here you will see the words that you generated. So under the dashboard you have templates. So look how many templates they have. You can write emails, website blog, ads, e-commerce, social media content, video scripts, and SEO based content. Google, I think it's ads or something. I never used that. And as you can see, you have different frameworks you can follow, and they all convert. When you follow through, you're making the perfect sales page to convert leads or sales or whatever your goal is. But we are focusing on blog here. So if you click on blog, you will see that you have content improver, where you just put your content, your whatever you wrote, and you want to rewrite it and to make it more interesting for people. You also have blog post topic ideas. Here you can just put some company name, product description, audience, let's say you target marketers, tone of voice, if you want to be friendly, more official. And here you can decide how many examples you want to have, outputs. But let's go back. Here you have the topic ideas. Here you have blog post outline. Here you have intro paragraph. In the end you have conclusion paragraph, and in the middle you have SEO for title and metadata. It will help you to get better titles, metadata, and descriptions to promote your blog post on Google, for example. What I do when I create in my blog post, I go to intro paragraph. I have a health blog and I want to write an article or blog post about smoothies for diabetics. And the audience, of course, is gonna be okay, the tone of voice friendly. And here you can choose languages. I'm not going to do that. It's gonna be English anyway. Here you can choose how many outputs you want to make. I like to have 3 outputs. The outputs are just little post intro paragraphs that you're going to create. And now click on generate AI content. And I didn't edit the time, guys. It took literally a few seconds to make these 3 little paragraphs. So even though Jarvis says this is intro paragraphs, you can repurpose them to be your blog post. And how are you going to do that? First, let's read what Jarvis or Conversion AI give us. Do you have diabetes? Do you want to enjoy a healthy, tasty drink that will satisfy your sweet tooth without any of the guilt or sugar highs and lows? Then try this recipe for a diabetic-friendly smoothie. It's low in calories and carbs. Look how amazing is this. This is amazing. Guys, English is my third language. So for me, Jarvis is a lifesaver. It helps me save so much time writing those amazing intro posts. So let's say this will be my real intro. I always like to write my blog post first in word counter. First, let's write here the title. And of course, you can customize the title more than smoothies for diabetics, but I'll just do it right now as it is. And now let's start writing my blog post. So let's grab this paragraph, click here, and let's paste it here in my word counter. So we just get rid of this, start by combining, we delete that, and we'll go to my second paragraph. We all know that smoothies are a great way to get our daily fruits and vegetables, but what if you have diabetes? Can you still drink them? Yes, but there are some things that need to happen first. Let's explore this topic in more details. What is diabetic ketoacidosis? Okay, stuff like this. What is diabetic ketoacidosis? You have to check because you don't want to make any mistakes. Even though Jarvis is doing a pretty good job on facts, go and check every fact. So let's say this will be our second paragraph. Click on this, copy it, and let's paste it here. And let's see our third paragraph. Diabetes is one of the most serious health conditions in America today. As many as 1 of every 11 Americans with diabetes and so this can be my conclusion. Let's copy this. So here I can paste the paragraph. I can edit it so it will be my conclusion, for example. And then I'll add here, let's say 5 smoothies for diabetics. And after my first or second paragraph, I'll just start typing 1 banana smoothie. I'm just giving you examples, of course. This is easy example because I just want to write recipes for 5 smoothies. So I have my few paragraphs, then I have my conclusion paragraph, and I have the smoothies and the recipe. So it's easy example. But let's say you don't. But let's say my light just went off. But let's say you don't have smoothies and you have something else, points, or just explaining about something, or tutorials. And if you run out of ideas, what I'm doing is I'm going back to my templates, which are here. And this time I'm going to my blog post outline and I write my title again. And this time I just want to make 2. I don't want to spend my words. Let's generate AI content. So as you can see, the outline is great. It gives you ideas how to structure your blog post. What is diabetic? Benefits of smoothies for diabetics, recipes for diabetics, tips to make the diet easier. You have an amazing blog. Now you take each one of them, you put them in your intro paragraphs, like I showed you before, and you make a whole blog post just generating each time intro post for each of them. That's how I work. Then I correct it a little bit and then I just write it in my WordPress on my blog and publish it with nice pictures. That's all. It takes me about half an hour altogether to create my blog post. And my blog posts are usually more than 1,000 words. Usually it helps you to promote your blog a little bit better. Of course, when your topic is different, you will have different ideas here, different things. And if you're still stuck and can't find the perfect outline or the good ideas for what write your blog post about, how to outline it, I'm just going to Google. I type again my title and I'm going down and I look for questions, and that's how I create my outline. Are smoothies good for diabetics? Great topic. Make a title, then write in Jarvis intro post about it, correct it, post it. Which fruits is good for diabetes? which fruits should diabetics avoid. You will find endless ideas. If Jarvis for some reason don't satisfy you with the outline, you can Google it, your topic, and find many ideas. Then you're going to your templates, you're going to your intro blog post, where is it? Here, intro paragraph, and you create for each title, you create intro paragraph, you correct it so it sounds like it's not intro, and that's all. Half an hour, you're done. With this tempo, you can write blog post every day, which will help you with SEO of your blog. So I hope this was helpful. That was Ola from Income Ola. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to help me with YouTube. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel because I create many videos that will help you to succeed online. In my next video, I'm going to talk how I create my video script with Jarvis. So if you're a YouTuber, you don't want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss this video. And I'll see you there. Bye bye, creator.